All right, so that's the quick select tool. All right. Now we're gonna use we're gonna copy the flower next, and I want to show you like we talked about this last week as well. Sometimes it's easier to select what you don't want than when you do want. All right. So I'm going to show you. This is I think a really fun way to select the flower. It makes life really easy. If I told you to select that flower, you might use the quick select. And you know what? That probably worked pretty well. But there's actually something you could do that's a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna walk Nicole through what I want her to do with it, but you guys just kind of watch, and then I'm gonna have you guys do the same thing. The flower is already actually cut out from being, it was brought in from some other place, and it's already cut out. So it's already on this clean white background. I just want to make it independent so we can move it. I'm going to leverage that white background. I'm going to make it super easy. Okay. All I'm going to have her do is she's going to grab the rectangular marquee tool, and she's going to make a nice big wide box around the flower. And she doesn't care how much of the white she gets as long as she doesn't get into anything else. So that's perfect. All right. Now we're going to use another color selection tool that's simpler than the quick select tool, and that's called the magic wand. Okay, magic wand, it works differently because what the magic wand does is you just click once in a spot, and whatever color you sample is going to use that to make a color-based selection. And again, using a particular tolerance, in this case, the default up here is 32, and you don't have to mess with that. That's a good tolerance. You can make it more or less aggressive later on after you've had more practice. And it's going to find contrast and stop once it finds contrast. So here, I'm going to have her use the Alt key to subtract from the selection, and she's just going to click in the white, and bang. Look at how easy that was. She now has a very, very nice selection of flower. She can copy, paste, boom, it's on its own layer. Thank you very much. Let's do the next thing. All right. So I want you guys to try that same technique now. Use first the rectangular marquee to just make a good rectangular selection that includes the entire flower, and then having, quite a bit of the white area. As long as you don't get into that book label, you're fine. And then magic wand tool, make sure you're on the